We have 3 granola bars. We're going to add 2 more granola bars. 1, 2. Now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. We have 3 granola bars again. Now we're going to add 4 granola bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now we have 7 granola bars. I'm going to take away 2 granola bars. 1, 2. Now we have 5 granola bars. If we take 2 more granola bars away, then we have just 3 granola bars left. Mary had 4 sheep. Farmer Joe needed 2 sheep. How many sheep was Mary left with? Mary was left with 2 sheep. Jane has 1 apple. Emily has 4 apples. Together, how many apples does Jane and Emily have? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Todd has 3 apples. Jeremy has 2 apples. How many apples do they have put together? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether, Jane, Emily, Todd, and Jeremy have 10 apples because 5 plus 5 equals 10. I have 3 pins on my table. How many more pins will you need to equal 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will need 7 more pins to equal 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Another way to have a different problem that equals 10 is having 6 pins on the table. And then you add 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way to find out how many numbers make up 10 is if you take away 1, 2. Then you're left with 8 pins on the table. If you start back with 10 again, another way to make 10 is to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. We're going to start with 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, if you do 5 minus 3, we're going to take away 1, 2, 3. Then we're left with just 2 hearts. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now we're going to start with 2 hearts. And we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. That will equal 6 hearts all together. Now we're going to have 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. How many hearts do you need to make 6 hearts total? You're going to need to add 1, 2, 3. Because 3 plus 3 equals